My computer seems to be recording right now. We have this mighty patch, original from Hero Cosmetics. It's an acne pimple patch for covering zits and blemishes, spot stickers for face and skin. The price of it is 11.69 right there. And this is what you get. This is the, I guess this is the way you use it. Right here is showing you how you use it, right? And then this is the way you look after you put it in, after you put it on. This is without it, and this is after you put it in, after you put it on. This is the package, and it also tells you how to use it. It tells you everything. Prep skin patch. That's it. Watch it work. That's what it says. And then it comes with a tiny video right there. I guess if I want to play it, it will probably.
I had a huge pimple on my face last night.
There we go. You see that? And then that will take it off. The price is $11.69. It's from Amazon. Click on my link. Click on the link that I'm gonna leave and purchase it. Purchase it if you celebrate on April 23rd. If you purchase it right now, you'll get it on April 23rd, meaning tomorrow. You'll get it tomorrow. But either way, you get it the next day. But any time you purchase it. And this is I guess these are way more other options right there, you know. But we're talking about this one. The price is $11.69, and you could search the other ones. Once you get to the link, you get the options to purchase many other things right there. Look at, but this one right now is one of the stuffs that are selling a lot. People are buying it very much, so it's only $11.69. $11.69. Oh, there you go, $11.69. All right. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and you share it, give it likes, and click check on my Instagram, on my TikTok, my Facebook. Click on the link over there on my TikTok, on my Facebook also. I'll put the link in my descriptions, and just purchase it. Just click on it and purchase. Click and purchase. It's not a big. You don't have to do too much to get confused. Just click and purchase. I think everybody knows how to click things here, right there. I'll show it to you again. Right there. And so on. All right. Well, thank you very much. Appreciate your subscriptions. I appreciate your likes. And don't forget to subscribe and share and give it likes. Bye bye.